little helper. Which box of pennies did you choose?
I choose this one.
Why'd you choose this one?
This is exciting. So, I choose it because we actually have a 1955 wheat cent ender.
That is good stuff. Here is that box that my little helper picked out, and the wheat cent ender is right there on roll number 9, so that's going to be exciting. And we didn't check the other side of the rolls, so we could even have more wheat cent enders. But we're going to be looking for wheat cents, Indian head cents, errors, varieties, anything to add to our collection. As always, we're going to give away something we find from the hunt. We'll probably take a few of the wheat cents that we find. We'll put them in an empty Warman's Lincoln cent folder from 1909 to 1958. And then that'll be the Robinhood Coins giveaway for this video. To enter the giveaway, comment on this video and then be sure to watch our next video where we'll pick the winner. Well, we're excited to get into this box, so we're going to kick it off with roll number 1. We are working on roll number 4, and it looks like roll number 5 is going to have a really nice looking memorial cent. It looks older for some reason, but that's not why I bring you in. I bring you in because we have a 1937 Philadelphia obverse up. So let's go ahead and check it out. Look at that. It's not the best shape, but it's a 1937 Philadelphia. We will take it. Oldest wheat cent on the box. And technically first wheat cent so far. I'm at the very end of roll number 6, and check this out. 1961 Denver. And it looks like it has all of the steps visible. I mean, it's just in pretty nice condition. One thing that's a little interesting though is the coloration is a little different. It doesn't look like the normal red color, but it does look really nice. I wonder if it's possibly polished or cleaned, if that caused the color to be different. It's almost like a yellowish gold, but the strike is still pretty nice for a 61. I'll definitely keep it. I started to open roll number 9 with that 1955 ender, and I stopped. I figured, you know what, might as well record it. So we'll go ahead and finish opening it up and see what we got. Look at that. Looks like a lot of copper in there, so that's good news. Hopefully we got more than one Wheatie. And, oh, it's a 1959. We thought it was a 55, but it's not. That is a shame. Oh, that is no good. 61 on the other end. Maid Marian's working on roll number 10. What'd you find?
I found a Canadian cent.
All right, let's check it out. Oh, and you even flipped it the right way.
I know, I was just thinking the same thing. That was an amazing flip.
1973, good stuff. Good job, baby.
Thanks.
Working on roll number 16, and I have my second Wheatie of the box, and it looks like it could be old. Let's see. Nope, 1956 Denver. It is not that old, and it is the second Wheatie of the box. Also, a couple rolls ago, my wife found this beautiful 1982 Philly. That one could upgrade one of my daughter's albums. Just a really nice coin. Roll number 24, and we have another Wheatie, and again, it's reverse up, so we get to do the reveal together, and it's a 1952 Denver. That makes Wheatie number 3 on the board. Also, over the past couple of rolls, I finally got some decent 2009s. The first 20 rolls, I didn't have any. Now we're up to 4 2009s.
All right, I am on roll 25, and I found a 1948.
Is that a Denver?
Denver.
All right, flip it over.
And
There you go. It's a little dirty, a little brown, but we'll take it.
my first Wheatie of the box.
Roll number 32, and we have another Wheatie. This time it was obverse facing up, 1957 Denver. Not too bad a shape. That makes Wheatie number 5. Working on roll number 37 here, and we have another Wheatie. This time it is reverse up. Let's do the reveal together. And it's a 1944 Philadelphia. Super common, but that still brings us to 6 wheat cents on the board. Roll number 43 is going to give us another 50s Wheatie. It's a 56 Denver. And that brings us to number 7 on the box.
Ooh, it's pretty beat up, but...
Oh, and you got one too. Look at that. She's working on the roll right before mine. Whoa, you were right. That is toasty. Holy cow. I think that is a 1955 Denver. I'm 99% sure it's a 55 Denver. No, it's a Wheatie because you got wheat ears on the back. That takes us to number 8. Roll number 47, and we're going to get another Wheatie. And again, it's reverse up, and it has that dark brownish red. Let's see. That's a 1947 Denver right there. Another from the 40s. That takes us to number 9 on the box. We are all done with that box, and it turned out to be a really good box because not only did it give us the 9 wheat cents, but it also gave us a whole bunch of coins to check for errors and varieties, and it turned out to be a very good box for 2009s. But there's a stack right there of 83 Philadelphias, only one 72 Philadelphia, but we got a stack of 84 Philadelphia, whole bunch of 92s to check, 94 and 95 Philadelphia, and then 2 stacks of the 98 through 2000 Philadelphia. So let's go check those under the scope, see if we can finally get an error or variety, and then bring you back in for the overall wrap up. So we are all done checking for errors and varieties, and unfortunately with all those stacks we did not find any. I cannot wait until I find my first wide or close AM, but we will just have to keep hunting. We did get a bunch of 2009s. I put the nicest ones on top. Got some nice professional life, formative years, and a nice birth and early childhood right here. Didn't get any of the presidential life. We did get a Canadian coin right there, 1975. That was a good one. Always flip it wrong. And then we had 3 1959s, including the one that my little helper thought was a 1955 Ender because it had some post-mint damage. She thought that was a 5. We did get 9 wheat cents, and that was really cool. We had one from the 30s. Do not get those very often, so getting that 1937 was cool. We'll have to check the my little helper's albums to see how that goes. And then we had some from the 40s, all common. Some from the 50s, 52, 57 Denver, 56 Denver, so all common. But overall, for one box, it was a pretty good hunt. So the Robinhood Coins giveaway for today's video is going to be this Lincoln Cents folder. It is the years 1909 through 1958. It's empty except for 3 wheat cents that we found during this hunt. We put in there to get it started. And comment on this video to be entered in this giveaway. And then be sure to watch our next video to see if you won. And then now we're going to go pick the winner for our last video. So here is the random comment picker, and I've already put the link to our last video, which was the Saturday winners video posted on October 3rd. I put the link in there. Let's see the number of unique commenters, and we have 223. So let's go ahead and pick the winner, and let's see who it's going to be. Fill the board. Fill the board wins. Congrats to all the winners. Thanks for all your generosity, Robinhood's crew. Have a great weekend. Well, congratulations, Fill the board. You won for the giveaway for our Saturday winners video on October 3rd. Email me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com to claim the prize, and I'll send you a link. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun going through these coins as a family. If you did, smash that like button. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any giveaways or videos, and we'll see you on the next hunt.